everyone, welcome to day 7 of Mrs. Lamprint's math group. Today we're going to be doing some more word problems that have to do with division and multiplication. Again, we're going to follow our read it, draw it, write it method. So again, read the problem, pull out what's important. Draw it is draw a picture or an equation, or write it is to turn the question around and make a math sentence, an answer sentence in words. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at our first word problems today. Says Emily has 36 bags of clothes to donate to the shelter. That's 3 times more than Kaylee. Miranda donated 17 more bags than Kaylee. How many bags of clothing did Miranda donate? So this is a 2-step problem. So we need to look at each girl and how much they have. We need to figure out our known and our unknown. So there's 1 known and 2 unknowns. So let's look at our known. So who do we know the amount of? Emily, Kaylee, or Miranda? Emily. We know that Emily has 36 bags. So I'm going to put up here Emily equals 36 for now. Okay, because that's our known amount. Then we have Kaylee and we have Miranda. Okay, so which one of these girls is going to be our single unit? We know that this one's going to be not a single unit because we know that it's 3 times. But which one of these is going to be our solo unit? It's going to be Kaylee, okay, because she's the base one. She has 3 times less than her. So we're going to get rid of this. We're going to draw a single unit for Kaylee, okay, because it says Emily has 36 bags of clothing to donate to the shelter. That's 3 times more than Kaylee. So Kaylee is the single unit, which means Emily has how many boxes? 3. And we know the value of the total, which was 36. So she has 36 altogether. So we don't know what Kaylee has, and we don't know what Miranda has, but we know one more piece of information about Miranda. What else do we know about Miranda? We also know that Miranda donated 17 more than Kaylee. So we have Kaylee's plus 17 more. Okay? So I'm going to zoom in so you can see that. Or let's see if we can make it closer. So Emily had 36 bags. That was 3 times as many as Kaylee. Well, Kaylee's our unit. There's 3 times more. Okay, the total is 36. And then we know Miranda has the same as Kaylee plus 17. Okay, so now we just need to figure out what Kaylee has. Well, we have 36 divided by how many? 3. So our number sentence would be 36 divided by 3. Okay, there's a couple different ways we can do this. We can do the number bond, which becomes 36 has 2 factors that are multiplied together. Alright? So we know one of them is 3. What times 3 will give us 36? So we can go through our math facts. We know that 3 times 10 will give us 30. We know that 3 times 11 will give us 33. And so we know that 3 more would be 3 times 12 will give us 36. So we know that Kaylee has how many? 3 or 12? 12, because this is the 3, and each one is worth 12. So she's 12. Okay, so now because we know Kaylee, we can fill out Miranda. Great. Let's say you didn't want to do the number bond way. Let's say that you wanted to do the long division way. We haven't really gone over it yet, so I'm going to walk you through it. If you choose to do it this way, I'm sure it's a review from 3rd grade, but just in case you want to do it. So if I wanted to do it the long division way, my big number would go in the middle. So if this is my division bracket, okay, the 36 is what is being divided. So, because we have 36 divided by how many? 3. So I'm going to put 36, and I'm going to divide it by 3. So now we just go by place value. We go to the 1s, then we go to the 10s. So 3 goes into 3 how many times? 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract it, and we get 0. We have to bring down our next number, which is 6. Now we go to our 10s place. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2. We forget this number is here, and we go 2 times 3 is 6, and we subtract and we get 0, so that's a perfect number. So our answer is 12. Did we get the same answer? Does it matter how we got there? No, as long as you're getting the same answer. So we've done our written now. Now the question wants to know, how many bags of clothing did Miranda donate? So we need to figure out Miranda. So we already have the answer, 12 plus 17. So let's just figure that out right here. 12 plus 17. So, matter, I guess, but all right, so let's do 17. Okay, 7 and 2 is 9. 1 and 1 is 2. So Miranda donated 29 bags. She donated 29. So here's the totals for each girl. Emily donated 36. Kaylee donated 12, and Miranda donated 29. All right, let's put that into an answer. Miranda donated 29 bags of. Did we read it? Yes. Did we write it? Yep. And we drew it. Very good. Okay, let's go to our next word problem. So this one says we need to use the information from the last problem and figure out how many bags of clothing the girls donated to the shelter. So we want to know all together. So I'm going to turn this just a little bit so we can get this out. So we're going to use the same thing, but now we're just going to add. So I have to take each of the values of each girl. So Emily was 36. Kaylee was 12. I'm just rewriting it to make it clear. So I'm not mixing up any of the work that I did. I'm just making a new workspace over here. So Kaylee was 12 and Miranda was 29. So if we want to know all together, we need to add them. Okay? So here we go. So I'm going to do 36 plus 12 and 29. The first thing I'm going to look for is 10 facts. Do I have any 10 facts? No. So in my one column, I have no 10 facts, no numbers that make any equal 10. So now we're going to move on to the next. I'm going to do 6 and 2 makes 8. 8 and 9 is 17. I figured that out because the doubles plus doubles minus 1 fact. So instead of 9, 9 is 18. It's 8 and 9 because 8 is 1 less than 9. It's 17. Put my 1 here. And then I have 3 and 2 is 5 plus 2 more is 7. So how many bags of clothing do they donate altogether? 77. So let's put it together. The girls donated 77 bags of. Great. Did we read it? Yes. Did we draw it? Yes. And did we write it? Yes. So that's for today. I hope that you found this helpful. If you're getting stuck, please feel free to email me, and I am more than welcome to help. And I'm hoping to set up some office hours this week where I can Zoom with some of you that are struggling with this concept. The next few lessons are going to start to get harder. So I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page because some of the division will no longer be simple math facts. They'll be your 11s, 12s, and 13s. So it's good to know the basic facts too. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great day. I miss you all, and I hope that you're staying safe. Bye.